guys, good morning po. Papunta po tayo sa Bayfront. Ito na po. Papunta po tayo sa pinakamagandang flower dome, the Gardens by the Bay. Ito po yung link ng Bayfront Avenue shares link. Ito po. Yan. Samahan niyo po ako ngayon sa araw na to at punta po tayo sa Gardens by the Bay. Ito po yung time na makakapaglakwatsa po tayo at ma-enjoy po natin yung sarili natin dito. Ayan po. Ito po ang mga view dito. Yan ang mga view dito. Maganda po. Samahan nyo ako hanggang mamaya. Samahan nyo ulit ako mag-vlog dito sa Gardens by the Bay. Ito po yung beautiful fountain na kanilang binuksan po ngayong araw na to, araw ng Sunday. And have a blessed Sunday to everyone, mga guys, mga ka-idol. Iikot ko po kayo dito so para po kayong nag-tour na dito sa Singapore. Thank you for watching my vlog, guys. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for your all support na tumataas po ang ating subscribers, tumataas po ang ating viewers. Maraming salamat sa pagsama, sa pagtaksak po sa akin sa araw na ito. Guys, panoorin nyo. Ang ganda ng view. Super duper beautiful and clean and green gardens by the bay ng Singapore. Matutuwa po kayo dito kasi ang ganda po niya. Talagang ma-amaze ho kayo sa kanyang landscape. Ito po yung nakapaligid ng mga flowers. Yan. They're so amazed. All the flowers surrounded by this ocean is so beautiful. Gardens by the Bay. Ito po, nakikita po nyo diyan yung Marina Bay Sands. Andito po ako sa likod ng Marina Bay Sands. Yan po yung 55-story po na nandun po sa taas ang swimming pool. It's so beautiful landscape, beautiful marina, beautiful gardens by the bay. Ito po yung makikita po ninyo yung ditong view. Samahan nyo po ako at mamaya po ay papasok tayo sa flower dome and the cloud forest. So beautiful, guys. Come and join me today because it's so beautiful and fun day. Nakikita po ninyo ang the whole view po dito. Napakaganda, napakaaliwalas, napakaganda po ng surroundings. And I know that you will enjoy it, guys. Yan. Marami pong makikita dito. Marami pong mapapanood kasi ito po yung isang tourist attraction po dito. Samahan nyo ako, guys. Tingnan nyo po. Maganda po dito. Where they built a beautiful landscape na ito po ay dagat. Tapos ginawa po nilang garden para po madiligan lahat ang mga halaman nila dito. It's so amazing. It's so beautiful. It's so fantastic. I'm also amazed of how they make this kind of garden. You see, guys, enjoying all the sceneries here, the beautiful adventure there. That's the conservatory, fully air-conned Gardens by the Bay. Yeah, mag-enjoy po kayo dito dahil I will bring you to the beautiful Gardens by the Bay. Guys, Yan o. So you can just look and watch and support my vlog. That's a beautiful landscape here. That's a beautiful view here. And I'm so amazed what kind of fruits is this. It's so nice, guys. Ang dami niyang bunga. Is it a pears? Like a pears. A green pears. There, guys. Paikot po tayo dito and I bring you to a beautiful flowers also. There's a lot of beautiful flowers here. You can enjoy, watch, and subscribe to my channel. Guys, you see? That a bee is also hanging onto the flowers. Yeah, it's so nice and so beautiful. Beautiful flowers. The beautiful flowers here. It's my first time to walk here, guys. Lagi akong pumupunta rito pero hindi ko pa ito nalakaran. But now I saw the beauty of the gardens by the bay. So nice. You see, guys, I enjoyed the scenery here. Iikot po tayo so that you can enjoy the scenery here in Gardens by the Bay. Thank you for watching, guys.